Welcome to Wise Aging Hub, where we empower your golden years with science-backed health strategies for a truly vibrant life. Did you know that 80% of individuals over 60 struggle with chronic back pain, affecting their daily quality of life? This staggering statistic reveals a silent epidemic that limits mobility and reduces the joy of living for millions of seniors. Many believe the solution lies in expensive treatments or heavy medication, but the truth is often much simpler and natural. The real secret to a pain-free back involves 3 simple exercises that you can perform comfortably in your own home. These movements are designed to restore function, reduce discomfort, and bring back the freedom of movement you truly deserve. We will explore 3 specific movements that target the root causes of spinal stiffness and muscle weakness in older adults. Let us begin our journey with exercise number 3, the cat-cow stretch, a gentle movement with profound benefits for flexibility. This fundamental yoga pose is essential because it directly addresses the stiffness that accumulates in our spine over many years. The primary goal here is to lubricate the spinal discs, which often become dry and brittle as we naturally age. Think of this movement as oiling a rusty hinge, bringing essential hydration back to the discs that cushion your vertebrae. As you inhale and drop your belly, you are creating space and encouraging fluid exchange within the structures of your back. Then, as you exhale and arch your back like a stretching cat, you release tension from the entire spinal column. This rhythmic motion also helps to stretch and relax the long muscle groups that run vertically along your spine. Relieving tightness in these muscles is crucial for reducing the constant pressure that contributes to chronic lower back pain. The key is to move slowly and strictly follow your breath, never forcing your body into painful or extreme positions. You should aim to perform this gentle cycle 8 to 10 times, ideally repeating the session twice every single day. Consistency is your best friend here, as daily practice ensures your spine remains supple and ready for daily activities. Remember the formula for success: 8 to 10 repetitions, twice a day, to keep your spinal discs healthy and hydrated. Now we move to exercise number 2, the bird dog, a powerful move for building stability and preventing future pain. While the previous exercise focused on mobility, the bird dog is all about stability and activating your deep core muscles. It specifically targets the deep stabilizer muscles that connect your vertebrae, acting as a natural corset for your spine. Studies have shown that strengthening these specific muscles can reduce the recurrence of lower back pain by up to 64%. To perform this, start on all fours and slowly extend your opposite arm and leg until they form a straight line. Imagine a straight line running from your fingertips down to your toes, keeping your body perfectly parallel to the floor. The critical key here is to keep your hips level like a table, ensuring you do not twist your spine. Imagine balancing a glass of water on your lower back. If you wobble or twist, the water would surely spill. Hold this extended position for 5 to 10 seconds to allow those deep stabilizer muscles to fully engage and work. Return to the center slowly, maintaining control, and then switch to extend the opposite arm and leg for balance. Avoid letting your lower back sag towards the floor, as this can compress the spine rather than stabilize it. Keep your core engaged by gently pulling your belly button towards your spine throughout the entire range of motion. Breathe normally while holding the pose. Holding your breath can increase blood pressure and reduce the effectiveness of the exercise. Mastering the bird dog builds a corset of muscle around your spine, protecting you from injury during daily tasks. Commit to this practice daily. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds. Keep hips level and feel your back becoming stronger. We have arrived at the final and most important strategy. Exercise number 1, the simple yet powerful act of walking. Walking is often underestimated, but it is effectively the king of all back exercises for long-term spinal health. Every step you take creates a rhythmic compression and release, which acts like a pump for your spinal discs. This pumping action is vital for pushing out waste products and bringing fresh, healing nutrients into the spinal structures. Furthermore, walking stimulates the brain to release natural painkillers, helping to reduce the perception of chronic back discomfort. The ideal intensity is a moderate pace, where you can still hold a conversation, but you feel slightly breathless. You do not need to walk for hours. Just 20 minutes every day is sufficient to trigger these healing benefits. Whenever possible, choose softer surfaces like grass, dirt trails, or a treadmill with shock absorption to protect your joints. Walking on concrete can send harsh impact forces up your spine, so seek out nature trails for a smoother experience. Invest in a pair of supportive walking shoes that cushion your heels and provide a stable foundation for movement. Make walking a non-negotiable part of your daily routine, perhaps enjoying the morning air or a sunset stroll. 20 minutes of moderate walking each day is the single best investment you can make for a healthy spine. By combining these three powerful tools, you create a comprehensive defense system against the limitations of chronic back pain. Imagine a life where you can lift your grandchildren, tend to your garden, and travel without the fear of pain. This transformation is entirely possible, and it starts with the decision to dedicate a few minutes to yourself daily. Consistency is far more important than intensity. Small, daily actions compound over time to yield incredible health results. You are not alone in this journey. Millions are discovering that movement is the ultimate medicine for the aging body. Listen to your body, stay hydrated, and celebrate the small victories as you regain your strength and flexibility. We recommend keeping a simple journal to track your progress and note how your back feels after each session. Your golden years should be defined by freedom and exploration, not by the constraints of a stiff and painful back. Always consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new exercise regimen to ensure it is safe for you. Take the first step today, no matter how small, and trust in your body's amazing capacity to heal itself. Invite a friend or partner to join you. Staying active together makes the journey more enjoyable and keeps you accountable. Healing is a process that takes time, so be patient with yourself and trust the path you have chosen. Remember the 3 pillars we learned. Lubricate with cat-cow, stabilize with bird-dog, and move with daily walking. Tomorrow morning provides a fresh opportunity to prioritize your spine and invest in your long-term health and happiness. Functionality is the ultimate goal. Being able to do what you love without thinking about your back is true freedom. We hope these exercises bring you the relief and strength you need to enjoy every moment of your life. If you found this video helpful, please share it with friends who might also benefit from these simple solutions. Your support helps us spread this vital message of healthy aging to seniors all around the world. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest health and wellness guides. We are dedicated to bringing you the best scientific advice to help you age wisely and live fully. Thank you for watching and trusting us with your health journey. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until next time, keep moving, stay strong, and remember that wise aging is a journey we take together. References for the medical statistics and exercise benefits mentioned in this video can be found in the description below. Check out our other video on the top 5 foods for joint health to complement your new exercise routine. Join our growing community on social media for daily tips, inspiration, and support from fellow wise agers. Small ripples create big waves. Let your small daily efforts create a wave of health in your life. Stay tuned for more expert content designed specifically for the unique needs of the over 60 community. This has been a presentation by Wise Aging Hub, your partner in navigating the path of healthy longevity. Goodbye for now, and may your days be filled with comfort, joy, and the freedom of pain-free movement.